the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away?
So the collapsed road that you see here was the original turnpike road, but after the glorious summer of '76 it dried out the ground, and then in the winter of early '77 they had a massive rainfall and it caused the whole bank to slip. I'm trying to keep the dead cat out of the way of the camera, but the whole of the mountain slipped and took most of the road with it.
From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
Well, I've got no idea what you're going to pick up, because it's a little bit windy, so it is. No, and the dead cat does look like, it's not real dead cat, it's the same muffler, does look like it's going to take off. But if you haven't heard anything, I'll put some subtitles on.
How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Are you enjoying your walk?
I'm loving it. Really loving it. And there's something good about being out in the fresh air with a blue sky that we weren't expecting. Lovely.
Yeah, it's affecting the camera angle a bit there because I've got the sun behind you. And every time I'm walking I can see the mufflers bouncing in and out of the shot at the top.
The what?
The muffler.
Oh.
Oh, it's a muffler, look. But it'll do what it needs to do.
It will.
It does look like the top of the camera is shot is actually wearing a wig. Yeah, I'll try to move it, but up there, over, down into Hope. Go find a beer.
Oh, yeah, or a beer.
What were you going to say?
I said a cup of tea.
We are Veni, Vidi tea, are we? No, it's not. It's definitely not. So yeah, it's just the first weekend out, getting a bit of walking done. This is all start of the 14-month plan, because Helen is hoping to do at the start of 2023
El Camino.
Yeah, she's hoping to do the French way of the Camino, starting in Saint Jean de Pied-Port that we visited briefly on our last trip, and going all the way to
Santiago de Compostela.
That's the one, yeah. Field under the stars of St John.
James.
Okay.
That's what Santiago means.
Oh, there she goes then. But Compostela does mean field under the stars, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
There you go. See, I am learning something on my travels as well. But that's quite a long bit for us, so we're going to cut out till later. I can hear the train.
5.63 miles.
How far?
5.63 according to mine, but you know it over.
Yeah, but in 2 hours, that's not bad going.
No.
How come the stars come to
Come on, there's no room to play now. Don't pull me down a slippery, muddy slope. We're not skiing, you know, Bob. This is why she loves van life as well. Because she gets out and about and she sees things.
She don't have to put on the babies, you know, although her and baby.
Well, everybody, we've arrived at Hope, and as you can see, there is hope at the end of the path. And we're in a pub called the Cheshire Cheese Inn, and this is a Buxton bitter. It's really good after, I think we've done 8.1 miles. The wind dropped off towards the end, which was really nice, but it's been nice to walk back. We've got to walk back through Castleton. Might have to stop for some more refreshment there. Helen's shaking the hat. Yeah, shake the camera. Yes, yeah, let's go. And then I think it's probably about a mile from Castleton back to the van uphill. So we'll see where we go from there. And the lady inside the pub has just come to the window to see what the hell you're doing. So this is what we do.
so far away and show us where we are? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Well, morning everyone. It's Sunday morning. Had a reasonably good night's sleep last night. We did have a few people partying till, I'm going to say it was about midnight, but I think as midnight struck they all disappeared. But they were definitely out singing and hollering, and it sounded like somebody was playing a drum as well. But we awoke, there's a lot of vans here, a lot of people out getting ready to go and do some walking, which we're going to do. We're also going to try and do some geocaching. Helen's just getting her gear all on, and we'll be ready to set sail. Well, just up there in the valley beyond the vans used to be what was called Odin's Cave and Odin's Mine, and this point here must have been where they processed all the stone and the stone chippings. I haven't found any information about when the mine or this place closed, but I'm going to suggest that the way that it's twisted, and that over there where the brown grass is and all the gorse, is part of the landslip that we discussed earlier that came down the hill. That's the extent of it, so maybe it was damaged and broken then, because the landslide came from all the way up there all the way down. There's massive landslip.
come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes?
Behind us is Peak Cavern, or known as the Devil's Arse. It's the largest cave entrance in England. They used to bring little boats in to save them having to carry out the lead, because this was a lead mine, and a lot of the other caves around here were lead mines. But this one is all natural, where the others were partially man-made. But it's a very impressive sight.
Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are.
Right, this is halfway up the Cave Dale, yeah. The castle in front of you is Peveril's Castle. It's first mentioned in 1086. It's a Norman fortress, and it was allegedly given to the Lord Peveril by William the Conqueror, who it's said that Lord Peveril was his legitimate son, which was nice, you know, getting given a castle. Better than a lot of people who don't know their father gets it. But yeah, amazing little find here, off the beaten track. Geology is limestone and basaltic lava. I think that's this darker layer here, and over there you can almost see some, you know, irregular patterns in the rock, almost like little blocks and cubes, which I know lava sometimes does. But hey ho, it's been a nice walk. We're going to have a walk back into Castleton now, go and find something warm, have a cup of tea and see what else is there. There's people shouting at us from on top of the hill. Hello. It's one of these places that I wish I'd bought my drone, because I'd have got some fantastic shots, but unfortunately I've left it in the van. Well, Helen's just nipped into the Peveril Stores Bakery and Takeaway, get us a couple of coffees, probably a tea as well, and some baked goods, just to see us through brunch, and then we're going to have a walk back to the van and probably call it quits for this weekend. It's been good so far, nice walk. Wind might have been a little bit quieter, but it's not been a bad weekend at all. Well, everyone.
Sorry, just trying to sort my hair out a little.
Couldn't do that before I started recording, could she? Right. Right, well, that's our first weekend away, our first little trip of 2022 done. It's only been a couple of days, but we managed to get out before the end of January. Might get away again next week, as all my days off seem to have come grouped together at work. It's been nice getting back in the van. 2 months out, we did feel a bit manic coming back, having spent 5 months living in the van. 2 months travelling round Spain and France and having a real good time, and then coming back and the house still not being quite sorted, and all them problems, and then work, and then Christmas, and January with the blues. And I think we were probably feeling the blues of coming back for a while.
I definitely did struggle when I came back, but you know, you've just got to get your head into gear really, and just think, well, just be grateful really.
Yeah, because it was your first real taste of retirement, being stuck in the house, wasn't it?
Yeah, but I think you've got to have a word with yourself and say, look, a lot of people are in a lot worse situations and stuff like that. That's how I deal with it anyway.
Yeah, it's just a little weekend away. We've enjoyed it. We hope that you've enjoyed it. It's been off grid. We've done all right. Van's performed faultlessly again. And hopefully we'll be away again soon with more adventures.
Thursday we hope.
Well, thanks for watching and following us on Facebook, Instagram, if that's what you do. But we're out there. We're always handy for advice. We're not selling nothing. We're just showing you that simple van, if you use it.
Simple folk.
Maybe drink a little bit too much.
Speak for yourself.
But, it's just about enjoying it when you can. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.